Look, listen, and say.
There are 30 days in September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except February, which has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year.
Look, listen, and say. Write the answers. Months with 30 days: April, June, September, and November. Months with 31 days: January, March, May, July, August, October, December. Months with 28 or 29 days: February. Number of days in a year: 365 days. Number of days in a leap year: 366 days. Now write the answers in your textbook.